Alright, once again, it's back. Yours truly, Stoneface, birthday event weekend. It goes down December 14th to the 16th. First event, the Black Tie edition, goes down Club Lux. Nice, classy. Special guest DJ Infrared, ODBMG, performing live at December 14th Club Lux. December 15th, we at Limelight for the 4th annual Masqueraders Ball. I'm not talking Halloween mask, something nice, something sexy for the ladies. Masqueraders Ball, December 15th, Club Limelight. And on the 16th, the 4th annual Food on Toy Drive come out. It's early. Give something for those needy, an unwrapped toy, canned goods, anything. Caribbean Hut, December 16th for the 4th annual Food on Toy Drive. Big up my whole Facey Squad family, big up my One Unit family, big up all the sponsors that helped me out this weekend. Urban Roots, Sick Whips, 340 Apparel, OnlyGoodTimes.com, Fire Mix Radio. Birthday event weekend, December 14th to the 16th, don't miss it.
Stoneface birthday event weekend kicks off Friday, December 14th, the Black Tie edition at Club Lux. Special guest DJ Infrared and performing live ODBMG. Ladies in free all night and drink free till 1 a.m. Music by Facey Squad, DJ Recon, DJ Stamina, John Jack and DJ Deviant. Saturday, December 15th, the 4th annual Masqueraders Ball at Club Limelight. Ladies with masks in free and drink free till 12 a.m. And Sunday, December 16th, the 4th annual Food and Toy Drive at the Caribbean Hut. From 2 to 6 p.m., bring any canned food or unwrapped toy. Come out and help those in need.
Sick Whips Motorsports for all your automotive needs. Located at 3424 Shader Road, Orlando, Florida, 32808, Unit 2. Sick Whips Motorsports, fully licensed and insured. Specializing in custom paint, rims, tires, performance parts, tinting, alarms, audio, video, and much, much more. Call for appointments at 407-601-5722 or find us on the web at www.sickwhipsmotorsports.com.
Central Florida's premier source for natural hairstyles is Urban Roots, 4521 Edgewater Drive in Orlando. Log on to urbanroots.com. That's URBANROOTZ.com for dreadlocks and all your natural hairstyles. It's Urban Roots.
340 Apparel represents the U.S. Virgin Islands and the Caribbean on an international level. Specializing in island-inspired apparel that represents the islander in you. Get your 340 apparel now at www.340apparel.spreadshirt.com or www.shop340.com. So check out 340 Apparel, where representing is what we do.
I want to say big shout to everyone for supporting me, the Facey Squad family, and the entire One Unit. Don't forget it goes down December 14th, Club Lux for the Black Tie edition. December 15th, the Masqueraders Ball at Club Limelight. And December 16th for the 4th annual Food and Toy Drive. Goes down early at the Caribbean Hut. Also, I gotta say big shouts to ladies of Facey for holding me down over the years. Facey Felines, and special thanks to Father Snake and DJ Kareem